In this game, you're going to find 5 things that you can see, 4 things that you can feel or touch, 3 things that you can hear, 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing that you can taste. I see these pictures on my wall. I see my walls, they're gray. I can see my laptop. I can see my window. I see some stuffed animals. What can you see? What are 4 things you can feel or touch? My hair feels soft. It's a crystal. It feels pokey. Oh, he feels soft. When I rub my hands together, I can feel heat. Now we need 3 things we can hear. I hear the heater unit run. I hear the dogs walking on the other side of my door. And you know what I hear? I hear me talking. You can count that one too. 2 things that you can smell. Does your shirt smell like your laundry soap? It's a candle. And 1 thing you can taste. I can taste a cupcake. Do you want to taste? Use this game so that you can bring your brain and your body back into this present moment so that you can be aware of what's going on right here and right now.